California. This is just south of downtown LA. It's in Los Angeles Valley, LA Valley there. But just south, the next city south of downtown LA is here, Vernon. I have to go here, Unicold, at 3 in the morning. But when you come here, because this is pretty well the industrial side, you want to check everything out, because at nighttime it gets a little different. At 3 in the morning is not a good safe place to be, as you can see how old it is. It's all locked up. Well, this place opens at 3, and that's my appointment. And when you're right here at downtown LA, you want to just do a walk around, just like when you're in Chicago. It's always in the bad neighborhoods. This is an old building, it looks like. Unicold. It's going to be a hard one to back in. This is an exit, but it's better to go in here so you don't blindside in. That's going to be a hard one. This is the first time I've been here. Well, this is Vernon. Got some gang signs here. But I don't see snow here. Looks like trucks are all parked all over the place here. Looks like a barbecue going on. City of Vernon. Founded in 1905. These houses look pretty run down. A lot of power lines here are all over. It's like where the homeless goes here. quiet. It's like a residential area. Parked all over the place here. It's the city of Maywood. So you got Maywood here and Vernon across the street. WD-40. Neighborhood here. All these cars are tinted out. Pretty well locked up. It's Sunday. Probably July 24th or 25th. One more month and summer will be over. It was probably about 90 degrees out here today. Industrial side here. General Mills plant here. It's good to walk around the block here to see what's going on. guy's washing his truck here. It's pretty locked up here. Scrubbing away. Like a produce place here. There you have it, Vernon, California. 3 in the morning. Once I give him a couple pallets of Johnsonville brats here, then I'll get out of this area. I got 5 drops. This is my first one. I have 3 starting tomorrow, and then 2 on Tuesday. Cold. We'll see how it looks in the morning. Hoping to get unloaded here and get to my next drop, and it starts at 7 in the morning. It's all about beating the rush hour traffic. Must be right by the airport. I know Ontario is on the east side of LA. This plane here is banking pretty good. Looks like Alaskan Airlines. Thank you very much for your time. It's all about resting before I get to work. The graveyard shifts.